Chainsaw Man 191, spoiler and release date. Furthermore, we see that the demon is unable to use his powers there. Thus, Yoshida ends up offering a contract that prevents her from picking a fight with them again and ordering her to release them all. On the other hand, if she refuses, Denji is willing to let everyone slip out of his mouth, except the demon. At the end, we see everyone calmly having a coffee, showing that the plan worked and everyone escaped. Chainsaw Man 191, release date. Check out the global launch times. Thus, Chapter 191 arrives on Tuesday, January 28, 2025, at 12 p.m. Pacific Time. Readers can follow it for free officially on the Manga Plus website. 10 a.m. Eastern Time. 5 p.m. UK Time. 7:30 p.m. Indian Time. 10 p.m. Philippine Time. Anyway guys, are you excited for the next chapter? Leave your opinion and be sure to participate in our WhatsApp.